All right, number 3. This one we have several parts. As you can see, there's 5 remaining, so 6 parts altogether. This first part wants us to plot 6, 3, 3, 0, and -5, -4 in the XY plane. Tell which quadrant or on what coordinate axis each point lies. Okay, so let's talk about the coordinate plane. It's just the basic graphing grid that you're used to. Okay, you have a y-axis, and then you have an x-axis. This first upper right-hand quadrant is called quadrant 1. I'm just going to abbreviate with Q and the Roman numeral I for 1. And then you go counterclockwise to get the others. So this will be quadrant 2. This will be quadrant 3, the bottom left-hand quadrant. And then the bottom right-hand quadrant is quadrant 4. In quadrant 1, X and Y are both positive. Order pair goes X, Y in alphabetical order. Helps you remember. Quadrant 2, we're on the left-hand side, so this is negative. The X coordinate is negative. The Y is still positive, meaning that it's above 0. So X, Y. In this quadrant, both X and Y are negative. And in quadrant 4, the X value is positive, but the Y value below the line is negative. Okay, so this will kind of help you identify which quadrant each point belongs to and where they should be listed. So part A wants us to graph positive 6, 3. So we would go X direction first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we'll go up 1, 2, 3. So this will be the point 6, 3 in quadrant 1. So let's find out which graph matches that image. So it looks like A. Only one has that in the right spot. Alright, in which quadrant does the point 6, 3 lie? Quadrant 1. Alright, so now we want to choose and graph the point 3, 0. Alright, so again, we start out with the X coordinate first. So this one was 6, 3. 3, 0, we go 1, 2, 3, and then we don't go up or down, it's 0, so we stay there. So this is 3, 0. Now this is not in any quadrant, it's right on the x-axis. Okay. So we're going to find that graph. Again, looks like graph A best matches. And on which axis does this point lie? It is the x-axis. We can see here. And now we want to graph the ordered pair -5, -4. Okay, so indicating a third quadrant. So -5, we're going to go left 5. Starting at 0, you always start in the middle. This is 0, 0. We go left -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. And then down -1, -2, -3, -4. So it's over here in the third quadrant. This is -5, -4. So we're looking at third quadrant. Looks best like option B. And then identifying the quadrant, it is in quadrant 3.